Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is my start date for packing up my apartment and moving it to a different apartment. I was really trying to avoid moving apartments right in the middle of me being on the island, but unfortunately some circumstances have happened and I feel like it was in my best interest to move. Because unfortunately this apartment just has a lot of bad memories for me and I feel like I just need a fresh start. It's currently March 30th and I am supposed to be moving out completely by May 13th. However, I'm not sure where I'm putting my belongings yet because I'm not leaving them in this apartment because my lease ends in May. It's going to be really busy trying to figure out how to pack up my stuff and where to put it over the summer until I can move into my new apartment when my term 5 starts. I'm going through quite a few different emotions about this move, especially when I have 9 final exams coming up that I need to focus on, but now I'm also having to move as well in the middle of it. It's going to be a crazy few weeks, but I just kind of wanted to share this process with you. And I will definitely be doing a whole separate apartment tour of my old apartment. So you can see what the options are if you do decide to come to SGU, because this apartment is amazing. There's nothing wrong with the apartment. I like the landlord a lot. But I am going to get started with packing some of my items today because I am moving to an apartment where there's nothing supplied in the kitchen. So I have to make sure I bring all of my kitchen supplies that I bought over the past 2 years. If you want to see more videos about my veterinary journey, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'm actually moving to the States in about a year for my clinical year, so that's going to be really exciting. Let's go ahead and get started with cleaning up the apartment. So I just wanted to step in really quick and let you kind of know what's been going on for the last week. So I do have an apartment secured for next term, and I figured out where I'm putting my stuff over the summer. Things have been working out pretty good. I'm actually going to start moving my stuff over to my friend's place today, just so I can avoid having to do it all during finals week and the day before she leaves. I'm just gonna try and do my best to do it weekly, just moving stuff out. My apartment looks super empty right now. It feels super weird to be moving again, but I think in the long run, this is going to be a very good decision. And I am also staying at an Airbnb pretty soon. I have to move everything out within a month, so I will be staying at the Airbnb for like a few nights before I head home for the summer. And at the end of this video, I will probably show you what the Airbnb looks like, and I'll probably link it down in the description as well, just so you can see how it is, and if you like it, you can book your stay. But for today, I'm probably going to be moving about 3 bags. Not a whole lot because I still have my final exams to get through, so I do need some of my kitchen supplies still. As everyone who's moved before, everyone knows it's a process, especially in a different country, and especially if you're moving yourself. Just wanted to let you know what's been going on, and let's get back to the video. Well, I just finished writing my last check for this apartment. It's definitely starting to feel more real that I'm leaving. It honestly feels really good because I'm getting really tired of dealing with the same things over and over. But I am going to drop off the check to the landlord and let him know when I'm leaving and start to finally finish packing up the place. I only have a few more things to move over. It's almost done. I am in my Airbnb now, and it is beautiful. I cannot wait to show you around. Gosh, I've almost completed cleaning up my apartment. I will let you know that you can get this apartment as a student full-time. It's just sometimes they do allow Airbnbs if the room is vacant. Yeah, I'll show you around, and at the end of this, I'll let you know how much it costs me per night, and if you want to book it, I can put their phone number down in the description as well, so you can reach out to them in case you are interested, because from what I'm seeing, it's a very nice Airbnb, and I am super excited to be here. So let's take a look around. I just finished cleaning up the apartment and everything that I had is completely moved out now. Kind of sad, but it's gonna be a good change. I'm really happy that everything has gone as smoothly as it has, but I did promise to let you know how much the Airbnb cost for Honeycomb. So this is $130 a night, and honestly, for me personally, it seems very well worth it because I will be going into the pool later to enjoy the rest of my time here in Grenada and head home for the summer. I did want to let you know I am doing an apartment tour of the Palms apartments next week, so stay tuned for that. If you did like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more, and I will catch you on next week's vlog.